If you've never tried Nutella, you're in for a treat. Actually, you will never want to be without it. My pantry always has a Nutella in it, and it is amazing. It's a wonderful hazelnut spread with cocoa in it, and it has only 7 ingredients. This is a really beautiful spread. It is actually really creamy and so delicious. You can spread it on bread or on your waffles or any dip as a use it as a dip for fruit or pretzels. You can put it in recipes. You can even stir some in your coffee to make it a mocha. You can even do like me and eat it right out of the jar. Mm. Eating it right out of the jar is a dangerous thing. I better put the cap back on. It really is so delicious. Honestly, your kids will love this peanut butter and Nutella sandwich is wonderful.